Managing investments shouldn't be complicated, but many platforms still rely on manual tracking. That means errors, delays, and frustrated users. Investors can't clearly see how their money is growing, and admins struggle to monitor performance and financial activity. Not exactly the experience anyone wants. So, we built something smarter. A secure investment platform where users can invest, sit back, and watch their money growing automatically. Users simply log in, add the investment, and the systems take care of the rest. Profits are calculated in real time based on predefined rules, for example 10% return after 10 days. Once profits are unlocked, users can withdraw instantly to their Visa or MasterCard. No waiting, no stress at all. Every transaction is visible to the user. Deposits, earnings, and withdrawals. Clear, accurate, and always up to date. Confidence comes from transparency, and this platform is built on that promise. Under the hood, the admin dashboard brings the total control. User management, growth analytics, transaction insights, and the performance tracking. A future-ready system built for scaling. This is more than a dashboard. It is the future of effortless investing. Automated, secure, and profit made simple. Want to explore the full prototype? Go check out the Figma link in the description. Let's build your investment platform together.